Sorry guys, it's getting me set up.
There.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna actually do a little interview.
Okay.
Oh, we're here. So, Lily, what's your favorite color?
Like a really, really pretty blue. Let's buckle in.
My knee.
Speed.
Have you ever kissed a boy?
I've kissed a guy.
Have you ever gone to the principal's office?
For good reasons. For like an award or if I accomplished something.
Have you ever pooped in your pants?
When I was a baby.
Yeah. Okay, now you ask me questions.
Have you ever sharted?
I've almost sharted before. We were at like this concert and I had to go to the bathroom really bad. And I almost sharted in my pants. I had to go so bad.
It was so bad.
I had to wait in a line. It was so bad. Wait, what?
Okay.
That was so slime. What was that, a rag? There was like something like on like a little sign. It was like slime or rag. Probably. It was weird. Okay.
Have you ever stole something?
Accidentally once. We were like walking around and there's like this shop and there's like little like keychain thingies and I was holding one and I really wanted one and then we were walking out and I forgot to put it back and then I noticed that it was in my hand. I'm like, oh my gosh, Dad, I accidentally stole this, and then he like, it's okay, and I put it down somewhere. And then I put it down like on like by a trash can, and then I saw someone push it into the trash can. Which is not cool. Okay, another question.
Okay. Have you ever
would you ever eat lobster for $1,000?
Who freaking cares?
Just no.
Who freaking cares?
What? Who is your dream celebrity crush? Who is your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush or my just crush?
Your celebrity crush, because crush is different.
My celebrity crush is Tom Holland. He's so cute.
Oh, Spider-Man!
I know, he's so cute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
That's a fair.
Oh, that's the veteran stuff.
Something else.
I don't know. Anyway.
Can I ask me questions?
No, I have to ask me one more question because I asked you 3. You only asked me 2.
Have you ever liked somebody?
Yes.
And wanted to kiss them?
Yes.
And you like this? But nothing happened?
No.
No? Okay. Let me ask you a different question because that question is kind of warm. Okay.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Yes.
Have you ever kissed a guy?
Do family members count?
That, no.
No.
Kissed him?
No.
Okay. Have you ever done anything inappropriate?
Have you?
Since being, I guess, I don't know what that means.
What does that mean?
Okay, have you ever,
New question.
let's see. Have you ever done anything that could get you in trouble? Or oh my gosh. Have you gotten a thing that you had to go to the principal's office?
I've gotten like a word thingy that I got to.
Oh, but like, have you ever done that?
No.
What?
Never gone to the principal's office. Except for the treasure box.
Oh yeah, treasure box. That's good. Okay. Have you ever pooed or peed your pants in school?
In school. No.
No?
Good question.
Wow. Okay, you have to ask me 4 questions. Because I asked you 4 questions, and yes, I was counting.
Um.
Okay, we're here.